So as you've been watching me, let me start this again. Sorry, I got to do it every time because of YouTube standards, but I'm not paid by anybody, sponsored by anybody, and nobody gave me any free gifts. All this money came out of my own pocket. Sorry, it's a YouTube requirement. So anyway, if you've been watching me do some of the work around the house, one of the things I had to do to get to do some of the work for the vibration sensors outside, for the telephone box and for the electrical box and for the fiber optic boxes, I had to get into those boxes to mount the vibration sensors. Well, what those are is they're not your normal Torx bits, and I don't know if it's hard to see, but they have holes in here in the middle, so you can't just stick a regular Torx bit in that has a hole there, and then they have like forks. Anyway, these are called security bits. It's because you can't just stick a regular Allen key or Torx bit or driver in there, like a Phillips head driver. They have the hole cut out. So this is the one by Triplett. I picked it up off Amazon. I'll throw the link down below. But if you ever have to get into one of these boxes that require or has a little pin in the middle of it, that's what that is. And that's what you'll need to get in there if you're doing anything in there. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.